Midnight.
Show them how you eat. Yeah. That is so amazing. Bigyan mo ng water naman.
No.
Here, put water.
Nice. Ano dyan? Galing. Wait, Daddy, no.
Put water.
Later.
Ready. Get ready.
How about midnight? Where's
Ready.
midnight's egg? Midnight.
Get ready.
Yeah, put it there. Kinain na itlog.
Yummy midnight. Okay lang yan.
Record.
Yes.
There, put it there.
Wait. You put the egg here. Get some flour. Wait lang. Wait muna. Get some flour.
This here.
Put it here.
It's my turn.
Take it the egg. You want to put the flour in the egg?
Yeah.
Okay. Your turn. Yes. And then you mix.
Galing natin Daddy ah.
It not makes you. You put it
Mix
there.
here. Mix first. After mix it.
I cannot make
Why?
because more egg. I want to put the egg in the flour.
Okay. Water.
There. No, I'm not there. There. Look.
Mix.
Tawag ka lang talaga yung boss.
Say hi to your Daddy, camera.
Hi.
Yes. Ito yung cooking Ate Daddy. Daddy, you talk to the camera, ha?
Waffle.
One more. You're cooking the
Waffle.
that's yummy. Is that yummy, Ate Daddy? Ha? Is that yummy, Ate Daddy? Ate Daddy, is that yummy?
Yes.
Hi, say hi, Midnight. Midnight, say hi. Hi. Daddy, you say hi.
Hi.
Hi guys. Today we're making
Waffle.
yes with
Midnight and I study.
yes.
Nice. I'll put it here.
Yummy.
Yummy.
It's flour. Say hi. Hi guys.
One more, Ate Daddy.
My vlog.
Daddy, one more.
Ay, inom ko yung vlogger.
Good job, Ate Daddy. One more. Yes, one more. The other side here. Yes. One more. One more. No, no, later pa. One more. You put it all. Slowly lang. Put properly, ha?
Of course, no.
Here, the other side. Pwede natin tadi, ah. Wow. 2, 3, go. It's done, ha?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Wow, it's a yummy. Yummy, wow. What do you want to say?
I'm gonna have glass.
Is that yummy? Go midnight. Show doon.
Tutulak mo ito, anak mo.
Wow. Okay, game. Oh, cut mo, Aya.
Asan ang pangkat? Wala.
O yung ano daw, gunting.
Bibigyan.
Excited na si Daddy. Wow, excited na si Daddy na. Go midnight.
Soy. Balik ka ba talaga?
Sabi ko po, ang gunting na si Granny. Pagdating ni Daddy.
It's for you.
Wow, Daddy, are you excited to try your ano?
You get it down.
Sit down na.
Dito si boss na mahulog.
Nakita na si Daddy sa video, ah.
Nakadikit yun sa kanya. Kasi maano kuya, ano ba yan? Maano kuya Soy, yun tawag dito.
Aya's putting some honey. Say hi, Daddy. Yeah.
Yayay daw. Hindi ay, yayay. Daddy, no.
Hi mga yaya. Hi kayo. Good morning mga yaya. Oh. Ay, kasi kada. Di ka na malaghay eh.
Kaya mo.
Hindi ka makita sa video niyan.
Hey, ka, di ba? Ay, ito.
Pagulo na isa.
Ang sinupuan ng isa.
Ang vlog na naman, Soy. Parang mga hindi kayo, yung mga